buki. Today we are learning the new word buki. Now, buki means a weapon, and we usually associate it with anything used in combat, from swords to laser guns. Well, if you watch too many sci-fi movies. Think of it as your trusty sidekick in battle, or just something that makes others think twice before having a conflict with you. In military contexts, buki could refer to firearms, while in martial arts, it might mean things like a katana or even nunchucks. Who knew buki could come in so many forms? It's like having a toolbox where each tool is made for a different type of battle, whether it's a sparring match or a video game showdown. So let's stay on the peaceful side and admire our buki from a distance. Now, repeat after me. Buki, buki, buki. In a historical discussion about samurai, a person mentions the types of weapons used, so they say, 侍が使った武器について話しました. I talked about the weapons used by samurai. 侍が使った武器について話しました. 侍が使った武器について話しました. During a martial arts class, an instructor explains the importance of practice with different combat tools, saying, この武器を使う練習が大事です. Practicing with this weapon is important. この武器を使う練習が大事です. この武器を使う練習が大事です. Now let's dive into the kanjis. The first kanji, bu, in buki means war or military. This kanji is often used in contexts related to combat or martial traditions. For instance, bushi refers to a warrior, typically someone engaging in combat, and is significantly associated with the samurai class. The word budo means martial arts, referring to practices and disciplines of combat sports that emphasize mastery and control. Another word, buyoku, stands for military force, highlighting the application of weapons and soldiers in organized defense or attack. The second kanji, buki, means tool or instrument. It describes objects or devices used for specific functions or tasks. For example, gakki translates to musical instrument, an item crafted to produce music. Kigu means equipment or tool and is used broadly for various types of apparatuses. Similarly, chokki refers to tableware, identifying tools used for dining, like dishes and cutlery. Together, in buki, the kanji form the word for weapon, representing an instrument of war. Finally, let's practice the word buki with some questions. Can you create a sentence stating that a weapon, buki, is needed in a battle, ikusa? Think about the context of a warrior or soldier needing their equipment. 戦で使う武器が必要です. A weapon used in battle is necessary. 戦で使う武器が必要です. 戦で使う武器が必要です. How would you express that someone, kare, seeks peace, heiwa, without weapons, buki? Consider someone advocating for non-violence. 彼は非武装で平和を求めています. He seeks peace without weapons. 彼は非武装で平和を求めています. 彼は非武装で平和を求めています. Can you write a sentence about a person, 人, who collects, 集める, ancient weapons, 武器? Imagine a collector of historical artifacts. この人は古い武器を 収めています。This person collects ancient weapons. この人は古い武器を収めています。この人は古い武器を収めています。What sentence can you create about someone, kare, whose dream, yume, is to become a weapon designer, buki designer? Think about aspirations in a technical field. 彼の夢は武器デザイナーになることです。His dream is to become a weapon designer. 彼の夢は武器デザイナーになることです。彼の夢は武器デザイナーになることです。And there you have it, folks. The mighty buki. Be sure to share your most outrageous and funny sentences using buki in the comments below. If you like this lesson, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and remember, don't attack your friends with imaginary buki after leaving this video. Until next time, stay safe and peace.